Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to unbox the August Fab Bag, and there is a little update as well. I have already announced on my blog channel, so I think I will be announcing at the end of this video that what's the update. But before that, let's just open this box up and let's see what I got this time. Alright, so this is how the bag looks like. It's pink and blue in the color, and it's really cute pouch. And let's just open and see what I got this side. Alright, first I'll be taking out all the info cards which are here, and this time's theme is the it's on the Glam August Fab Bag. So all the product information is here. Then I have some info about the contest every month held on Instagram, their contest. And then I have a renewal coupon code. Alright, so let's just check out the products. This time they asked us to choose one sugar product. There were a list of products and we had to choose like any one. So I chose the palette, so which is the first product. And this is, I do have their eyeshadow quad, like sugar quad. That is like, I forgot the name. The eyeshadows with blue and purples, something dark, I don't remember the name. This palette is Blend the Rules Eyeshadow Quad 13 Paparazzi. I think it has like beautiful colors, like more of like romantic colors. I'm just gonna open and so that quad also I got it from the Fab Bag, and this is like my second sugar quad, and I got it again from Fab Bag. And let me just show you the shades. Oh my god, look at the shades. All the shades are shimmery and they're like very appropriate for any festive looks, like Diwali or any Indian weddings. Yeah, it has a very pretty kind of rose gold peachy shade, a gold shade, and really nice like a peacocky blue color. And then you have like a champagne color here, so it's really pretty. And yeah, I really wanted to try these colors, so I opted for this one. And this quad retails for 699 Indian rupees, and this is like a full size product. Now let's just move on to other products. The next thing I can see is a face moisturizer, and it's by Bio Bloom, and it has vanilla, jojoba oil, cucumber, and the amount of product I'm getting here is 15 ml of product. That is 1.69 fluid ounce. This Bio Bloom face moisturizer retails for 150 Indian rupees. That was the second product. The next product I got, okay, so this is a scrub by Fuchsia. This is natural and handmade skincare, and it is SLS free, paraben free, phthalate free, mineral oil free, not tested on animals, and it's made in India. And this is pomegranate pearls face and body exfoliating scrub, and it has aloe vera, pomegranate extract, olive oil, and wheat germ oil in it. So yeah, I'll give it a try. And this Fuchsia pomegranate pearl exfoliating face and body exfoliating scrub retails for 250 Indian rupees, and this product is also a full size product. That's that. I think I'm just left with one last product. Ooh, so this is Monseb's collagen nose mask. I already have their eye mask. Now I have their nose mask. It's in the like a triangular shape, just like nose. So this is the nose mask, and this Monseb Skin Beauty Collagen Nose Mask is also a full size product, and it retails for 200 Indian rupees. So that was it for August Fab Bag, and in total I got 4 products, and I am most excited about obviously the quad, sugar squad, which itself retails for 699 Indian rupees, but with the Fab Bag the cost comes out to be much less, plus you have extra products as well. I loved this time's Fab Bag, and all the information about the bag will be in the description box, so you can just check it out. Go and subscribe for yourself if you're interested. Yeah, and that's it for the bag. Now let's come to the update. If you're following me on my vlog channel, you must be knowing that I am kind of like going through from a lot of stress. So I have decided to take a break from YouTube. Yes, I know it's a big decision, especially at this time when my channel is like growing so much, and it's like on the growing stage right now. So as a time frame, as a decision, I know it's like a foolish decision, but I think I need some time for myself. I need some like a week, 2 or 3 week break from YouTube, because I really want to like heal myself, because there are a lot of thoughts going inside my mind, and I am not able to focus on my work, on my YouTube, both the channel's vlog and my main channel. And also I am not able to focus on my household chores as well. So I think I really need to spend time with myself, rejuvenate myself. So I think I am taking a break from YouTube. I'll be working just this week. Like today, the day I'm shooting this video is Tuesday, so I'll be just working till Thursday or Friday. Yeah, that's it. So I'll try to stock up the videos in this time, hopefully. So jitni bhi videos मैं कर पाई, you'll be seeing those videos in between. So there will not be consistent videos this month, and there will be no vlogs as well. So yeah, so I just wanted to update you guys about this. I know it's a very brave decision and it's a foolish decision as well, but obviously health comes first. If I'm not mentally healthy, there's no point of doing all these YouTube videos. So yeah, so I just need some break and some peace of mind, and then I'll be back soon. I'll try to bounce back ASAP, honestly, ASAP. So yeah, that's it for the update and the Fab Bag review for the August. And whatever videos you'll be seeing in coming week or couple of weeks, those will be pre-recorded. I'll try my best to record as much videos as I can. Yeah, so that's it for the video. I hope you understand this, and if you're a new subscriber, then please have a little patience, be gentle on me and subscribe, because in future you will be seeing more videos from me. If not this month, but in future you will be seeing a lot of videos from me. So yeah, subscribe, help me grow, and I will see you guys in my next video, and hopefully I will be able to come back ASAP. Yeah, that's it for the update and the video. Bye bye, take care, stay beautiful and stay healthy.